Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, I have this really cheap, affordable $5 eyeshadow palette. I am going to try it out today and I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know how they're gonna work. So if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell. When I do upload a video, you can be notified. So today you guys, this is the eyeshadow palette with 12 in it. So I picked this up at a dollar store. I went to this new dollar store and I saw it, and I just really want to try it out. So this is something very cheap and affordable, you guys. So you have some really dark color and you also have some really natural color in it. So this is the eyeshadow here, you guys. Very cheap. So I already prime my eyes and do my brows off camera. So if you want to see, continue watching, my friend. Okay guys, so I am back with my affordable eyeshadow palette. Now, let's talk about the palette. So you guys, this color here, this white frosty color, it's a little bit pigmented, but it's also a little bit powdery. But $5, really not bad, you guys. So I'm gonna also talk about the dark color that I use on this palette, and the palette come together the eyes really come together really good. So let's talk about this one here. This is, I use it in between here. It's a bit powdery. I haven't touched this one, which is not bad for $5. And then I also have this one here. And then I also have this one here, which is sort of a grayish color. I'm gonna swatch them, you guys, and let you see how this $5 eyeshadow palette swatch. So this is the one that really surprised me, this dark color. This was the color I was applying to my lid, and it blended out really good, this one here. I haven't used everything in here, but you know, I was just trying out to see how they really perform. So I mostly use the dark shade, which was this one here. This is the one that I mostly penetrate with, and this gray here. And then I also go in with another color here, which was this one underneath my brow bone, that one there. So I'm not going to swatch everything, but for a $5 eyeshadow, the color is not bad, the pigmentation is not bad, and they don't apply bad. So this is it. It surprised me. I mean, you know, I didn't really have any fallout or problem when I'm blending it, except for the whitish color frosted one, which was this one here. But overall they blend out pretty good, and you can see the color come together really good. The foundation, I think I have it a good while. It was a little bit dark when I was applying it to my face, but then I also tried to really use a lighter concealer to help bring back the color in my face. So this is my $5 eyeshadow palette, you guys, from the dollar store, and I just want to bring it to you, and this is it, you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.